Hi guys, so welcome to my workshop. Alright, I need to tell you guys something. I have always had issues growing my hair ever since I was a little girl, and I discovered something when I was trying to figure out how to grow my hair quickly and like get it done and like make it so it was still healthy. So when my sisters were pregnant, they always had their hair grow super thick and beautiful and like super fast growing, and I was just always like, what is it that makes it so different? And I know that there was like a whole lots of hormones involved with it, but then I asked them every single time, I'm like, what are you taking right now during this pregnancy? And they always told me something that they were always taking during their pregnancy: prenatal vitamins and mineral formula. And I was just like, you know, I read the back of it and it said it's okay to take it before like ever pregnant, or even if you're not pregnant, they're just vitamins. And I was like, you know, it's worth a shot. Let's just take them. Let's see what happens. And it's the best thing I've ever taken. Seriously. Oh my gosh. Why do they not tell you this? I have had my hair grow so fast because of this stuff. It's just like, nobody really knows. It's a secret that is not well known, but should be out there and helping people grow their hair. I'm like, seriously, why not? Anyway, so I have been taking that for a while and making it so that my hair grows faster, and believe it or not, I actually cut my hair like once a month to be able to keep it at the length that I want, because my hair has been growing so quickly. And I've been taking these for about a year to 2 years now, because of just wanting to be healthy and having my hair look healthy. And it's the best well-known, actually not well-known, secret out there for growing your hair. So all of you out there that have struggles with growing your hair just like me, there's your little secret right there. That's how to grow your hair quickly and make it healthy, and so that it doesn't break and stuff. You're welcome. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that little bell, I don't know where it is, so that you get a notification every single time that I go with a video, so that you know that I'm there. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.